Hey T Tribe, it's your pal T, and I'm back at it again with another video. Yes. Ooh. Old hair and some new products. What am I gonna do? Let's see. So I'm gonna kick things off with my Pydana Collection Kiss Supreme set and leave-in conditioner. Yes. Full product descriptions and links will be listed down below in the description box. Alright, so let's get into it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hair and I'm going to put it in 4 sections minimum, or some mini sections, and then I'm going to take my Herbal Silk leave-in conditioner, you guys. And I'm going to take this out and I'm going to put it into my hands. Very thick, very creamy. I love the texture and I love the smell of this product. Very calm, very relaxing. But guys, I rub my hands through my hair with the product and it was already wonderful, but when I go through with the brush, yes, this is so nice, you guys. Oh, look at that. Wow. Okay. Made me go all the way back. Yes, I was that blown away. But I'm going to take my hair, put it in some mini sections and mini twists, right? Now you're probably thinking, oh, you know what? You could stop there. But no, I'm not. I'm actually going to go into it even further. I'm going to do something else. So, look at me jamming there. Yeah, but I really enjoyed using the leave-in conditioner. In fact, it gave the main choice a run for its money for me. Even Alakay. I have to say it's probably one of my most favorite deep conditioners, or should I say leave-in conditioner of all time. One of my most favorites. Yes. And even when I had to take a break and go out in the cold, it braced the cold just fine and my hair was still moisturized. That's how you know you've got a great product on your hands. Okay. Alright, so now I've got my hair in the mini twist and I'm now going to continue on with the style. So I'm now going to go in with my green tea and Babassu Herbal Silk Twisting Buttercream. Okay. So I'm going to go in with that. Now, it's more described as like a whipped type of consistency. I got like a cake batter consistency sort of. So I could say maybe whipped, or not like exactly buttercreamish that thick, but very cake batter like. And I'm just going to go in and I'm going to do braid outs. Now, I will admit, braid outs are not my forte. They're not really like my strongest style, but I decided to try something different on dried stretched hair or hair that was already done. I wanted to revamp my twist out. So I'm going to go in and go do that. And yeah, I'm just going to put like medium to like large to medium twists somewhat. I just coil the ends like I do the twist out. And then I'm going to just go through it again and just repeat for all sections here. Alright, just taking my time, just making sure the braid is neat, applying product as I go. Yeah, looks good to me. Alright, so now that we've got the braids all done, what we're going to do is seal with the Luscious Locs oil with omega-3, 6, and 9. It's non-greasy, locks in moisture. And I really like this oil a lot. In fact, it was very easy to work with, you know, sealed into the hair very easily. Very nice. I actually really like the smell, the fragrance, very light. It's not overwhelming, not too thick, not too thin. It's just right for me. And then I'm just going to go in and just lay it down. I'm going to come back to y'all the next day. All right, guys. So here I am the very next day. Okay. Very next day braids. All right. Just shake it around. Yeah. And I'm just going to go back in with that Luscious Locs oil. And then I'm going to see me jamming again. And I'm just going to actually prep my hands for the release. So this way it's frizz free as much as possible. And now with nails, it was really hard to take this braid out. I'm not going to lie to you. But hey, ain't bad so far. Definition ain't that bad either. Yeah, I'm going to go in and just do all of them. All right. Hey guys, there I And yes, that's all done. Now I will tell you, braid outs for me don't last as long as twist outs, but I think it turned out rather well, you guys. But that's it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I want to thank the Pydana Collection for sending beautiful products. Love them, love them, love them. I found some product staples for life. And until then, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.